This is Abu Bakr Al-Attas introducing to you Task Recorder Android application, which is a voice recorder that records your task, for example, when driving a car or walking or in a meeting without the need for writing anything. The application idea is to quickly record 5 seconds of your voice, and then when you have time, convert that recording to a task. Assume I am driving a car now. I run the application. First task, confirm booking of Jeddah flight. Now the application prompts me for 5 seconds for desired remote. I don't want to set an alert now, and the application automatically exits. I record another task now. Writing minutes of yesterday's meeting. Now the third task I am going to record, I will select an alert after 9 hours from now. Call Ford dealer. Now I will select 9 hours alert. I will get an alert for this task after 9 hours. Now I assume I arrived at office or home. I sit and preview the tasks I recorded earlier. I run the application, and during the recording I click cancel to move to the task list. I click cancel now before the 5 seconds complete. Now I see a list of 3 tasks with date and time, but I don't know what are these tasks. I can categorize them as per the above categories list and set any desired tasks. Let's see the first task. I click on the first task. I don't recall what was the first task, so I click play.
المهمة الأولى تأكيد حيز رحلة جدة.
Okay, I start now naming the task. I categorize it as work. I set the priority as high as the default, and I set an alert on 20th of September by clicking alarm. I don't use any of the prompted quick alerts, I just click on time and set the desired date 20th September and the time 11 a.m. Of course, the application have the option also to set recurring alerts daily, weekly and monthly. Also, I can check the corresponding Hijra date by clicking on a Hijra. I can see that the corresponding Hijra date for 20th September 2013 is 15/11/1434. Now I have completed setting my first task. Now I review my second task by clicking on the task. So I click play, write in minutes of yesterday's meeting. Okay, I start naming the task. I set category to work, and I set the priority to urgent today, and I set alarm to tomorrow at 9 a.m. Now I have 2 named tasks in the list of tasks. I now check the third task. I can click on the question mark radio button, which shows all tasks not assigned to any category. I have 1 task left. I click on it and play.
الاتصال على المعرض بخصوص سيارة الفورد.
I can see that this is an already set alert after 9 hours. Still, I need to name the task so I can recognize it in the list. I set the category to car, alert already set, and priority to today. Today is priority, that is urgent, a priority. The application also have other priorities like high, medium, and low. I click save to save the changes. Now I don't have any uncategorized tasks. If I click today radio button, I can see 2 urgent tasks. If I click alarm radio button, I can see the alerts. And I have 2 for tomorrow, one set to 20th of September. Home category have no tasks. Work category has 2 tasks. Car category has 1 task. Here I can see all tasks. I can set and unset auto recording and auto alerts using these 2 checkboxes if I need so. Now I am going to show you how to view your task outside of the application. I exit the application. You can see that I have already placed a widget on the mobile desktop. Using the button on the widget, I can view different category tasks without the need to run the application. Also, if there is any required further information on the application and how to use it, there is a guide web page. You can view this guide by clicking the mobile's menu button and then clicking guide. A web page will showing all application features and how to use the application. Along with explanation of each simple button or page in the application. Also, you can communicate with the application developer in case any need using my contacts information available in the About menu option. This is Abu Bakr Al-Attas wishing you best utilization of the application in your day-to-day life. Add new user to the application. Complete the BRT document. إرسال الملف بالبريد لمحمد.